Have you ever known the mistake that you should never do as a trader or as a beginner trader? These are the mistakes that you should never do as a beginner trader in case you want to succeed in Forex trading. Yeah, there are 10 of them. In case you get to know these 10 things that you should never do as a beginner trader, your trading skills will increase immediately. Yeah, and you will be able to gain profitability in your trading. In case you are brand new here, you're also highly welcome. And also, if you like the content, remember to subscribe, and I'm here to help you become profitable in your trading. Let us dive in. Never expect quick riches in Forex trading. You should have in the back of your mind that Forex trading is not a jackpot to get quick so fast. Yeah, so most beginner traders, when they come into the market, they think that they will just press a button and they will make $1 million. Trading Forex, you should take it as a business. When you start a business today, you are not gonna get rich quick today. There are some things that you have to follow and expect to get rich within some few years. Then let's go for the second one. Never ignore market news. Forex market has news, and this news can affect your account. You should check the news before you start trading or before you go in the market. You can check it in FX book or any other sources. Don't just trade blindly like that. Major event like central bank announcement can move the market violently. Don't trade blindly in such a moment or such a time. And then the third one, this goes to people who follow the signals. Don't always follow the signals blindly. If you follow the signal blindly, it can lead to serious losses in your account. Copying trade blindly without knowing why you are copying that trade is also bad. Most retail traders that follow their mentors' signals, most of them lose drastically, because when a mentor tells you to enter the signal, you just jump in without understanding why. As your mentor is also analyzing from the other side, you should also be in the same pair as well, analyzing together with him on the other side, seeing whether the setups are matching. Therefore, you'll be having the why you should take the trade according to that signal. Please subscribe for more notification. Never trade without learning. This is number 4. You should first learn to get knowledge about Forex market or about trading. Jumping in the market without education is equivalent to donating the money to the professionals. Why are you trading when you don't know how to trade? Yeah, why are you jumping in the market when you don't know how to trade? You should first get the knowledge. Yeah, find a profitable mentor who is always available to give you the knowledge, so that when you enter the market, you know exactly what to be done, not just to donate money to professional traders. Always learn the basic first. To start trading, you don't need to have a lot of knowledge. You just need the basic. Yeah, and if you learn the basic, then therefore you can start trading. You'll advance when you're already in the field. Let us go to number 5. Never ignore risk management when you are going to trade. Risk management and money management is everything. It is the key in the market. Even the best trading strategies fails without proper risk management. Without stop loss and position sizing, you will always fail all the time. Protect your capital first. You can protect your capital by doing proper risk management, proper position sizing, and putting the stop loss. That is how you can protect your capital, because if you still have some capital, you still have some capacity to continue trading. Unlike someone who has blown his capital, he may not be having any other money to invest in his account to enable him to continue trading. Number 6, never trade on emotions. Subscribe to the channel for more content. In case you will like the content, please subscribe, hit that subscription button. Yes, traders, yes, as I said, that never trade on emotion. Fear and greeds are your main enemies in forex trading. If you find yourself angry, tired and desperate, please stay away from the chat, because those things will lead you into serious losses or even blowing your account. Be smart, my fellow traders. These are the most important things that I'm telling you, and in case you follow them, you will be surely profitable. And number 7, never ever change your strategies. Stick with one strategy and specialize in it. You can find that today you are trading smart money concept, tomorrow you are trading supply and demand, next week you are trading support and resistance. You are not constant in your strategies, you're always changing. This can also lead to serious loss. Master one strategy and stick to it. If the market has not given you a particular setup according to your strategy, don't trade, leave it. The market will never close, it will always be open, probably until you age and die. So don't rush in the market. And then number 8, never change your trading style. Yeah, never change your trading style, stick in one trading style. Now, like here, what do I mean? Whether you are a scalper or a swing trader or a day trader, don't change, stick to that. If you're a scalper, be a scalper. If you're a swing trader, be a swing trader. And if you're an intraday trader, be that. Never change. Number 9, traders, remember to subscribe to this channel. Yes, for more content. Subscribe. As I was saying, never chase the market. Doubling your position after a loss, it is equivalent to revenge trading. This will only lead you to dig deep into your account, and I'm sure you'll never ever like it. Once you have gotten one loss, close the computer, get yourself distracted, go to the gym, go run, go meet friends, go drink if you drink, and go do something. Take your girlfriend out in case you have one, and wait for tomorrow. Okay, that is the market. The market is not holy or yummy all the time. Yeah, one loss, go away, wait for tomorrow. Okay, don't double your position simply because you want to recover the other losses. No, let it be, just chill. And then number 10, which is the last one, never ever trade without a plan. Trading without a plan is like driving a car when you have closed your eyes. It's not good and it's not recommendable to a trader. Jumping in the market simply because the market looks good, it is equivalent to gambling, not trading. Always know your entry, stop loss and your target before you click that buy or sell button. Subscribe. I know the content is very educative and helpful. In case you follow this very well, you'll see changes in your trades. I will see you in the next videos. I wish you the best with your trades.